Okay, this video will help you understand the basic icons at the top of the interface for the reader software and show you exactly what each one of them should look like when you open them. If we start from the left, this icon here is going to be the plate ejection button that allows us to eject a plate, and it will automatically come out and stay there. When that happens, you'll see that this one becomes active, which is the plate in icon, and this one will deactivate to make it easier on you. So by doing the plate in button, obviously they'll both be inactive until one is chosen. The Greenlight button is the ability to run a protocol that you've previously created. So you can show all test protocols in the list, you can show just fluorescence, just luminescence, and so on, and it will show you whatever protocols are on that list to run that protocol. The Greenlight is a quick start method that allows you to choose from several basic settings for modes. Choose the filters, both emission and excitation filter sets, which plate you're using, and a plate ID, so that you can very quickly run through and run a plate without having to know much about it. The next icon across obviously is a stop button that will stop a test, and the test duration, how long the test run is going to run for. This icon here is the data analysis software called Mars that we use for doing analysis on runs that have already been done. This icon here is our priming software that allows you, for both reagent pumps here, to choose the speed, the volume, and to backflush and prime those pumps. This icon next to it is our incubator temperature control software, allowing you to choose a certain temperature that you'd like to have set, 30 degrees, and set the temperature, and it will ramp up the temperature until it reaches that value, and then it will turn green to show you that it's ready. Or you can have it in a temperature monitoring mode that allows you to show the active temperature inside the reader. This is typically between 2 and 5 degrees Celsius above room temperature. The next icon across is going to be the temperature monitoring value, and across here is our tool setup. This allows us to see a variety of different information, the most important of which is the filters section that allows us to see which filters have been installed into your instrument. You can also see information about the program configuration, about who's logged in, about the connection that's established, and which optic is being used on your instrument at this time. This icon here is an icon that allows you to create test protocols, to allow you to create the runs that you're going to run and set up all the settings that need to be done for your particular protocol. This is our help file here that will walk you through the exact help area that you're interested in. It's the same as hitting F1 on your keyboard, and this is to exit the program. The last icon is a picture of the system that when you click on it will give you information about the software, firmware, and serial number versions.